Abarth, the iconic Italian car brand, has expanded its range with the launch of the Abarth 500e and Abarth 500e Turismo. Both models are available in hatchback and cabrio versions in the UK. The new models have been eagerly anticipated, and the Sportiness launch edition is no longer available to order due to significant customer demand. The Abarth 500e is a unique and eye-catching vehicle. It marks the brand's entrance into a new era and offers a combination of performance and character thanks to its new design elements and sporty details. The new front bumper gives the car an even more aggressive appearance, inspired by the brand's past. Its 17-inch alloy wheels, exclusive sporty lines of the lateral skirt, cool white front dam, rear diffuser inserts, and new matte grey mirror caps give the car a bolder look. The new Abarth lettering in dark titanium grey on the front and rear, as well as the electrified Scorpion signature logo, add to the sporty character of the vehicle. Exclusively for the UK market, the new 500e comes with the Abarth sound generator and JBL premium audio system as standard. The car's AVAS has a recognizable sound for Abarth fans that reflects the brand's transgressive and unconventional soul. The new 500e also offers a cabrio version, combining the Scorpion's pure sportiness with the typical ingredients of open-air driving, delivering a unique and exciting driving experience. The Abarth 500e Turismo, the top-of-the-range model, offers great performance, a unique style, and the original Abarth sound. The exterior is enriched with exclusive 18-inch diamond-cut titanium grey alloy wheels, and the interior is fitted with premium Alcantara, providing a dark, sporty look and feel. Abarth's signature roar accompanies every trip with the 500e Turismo thanks to the Abarth sound generator. The car comes with a full set of comfort and safety features, including heated front seats, a wireless charging pad, and a rear-view camera with 360-degree sensors. To complete the 360 sound experience of the new Abarth 500e Turismo, JBL is bringing its award-winning sound to the top-of-the-line version. The premium audio system features 7 optimally placed high-performance speakers, including 2 tweeters, 2 mid-woofers, 2 rear-door full-range speakers, and 1 trunk subwoofer, plus an 8-channel amplifier. The new Abarth 500e offers a combination of performance, electric power, style, and a new powerful sound, turning advanced technology into adrenaline and sustainability into performance. The car is faster than its petrol version, offers great handling and driving dynamics, and ensures zero emissions. Equipped with a 42 kilowatt-hour battery coupled with a powerful e-motor, it features best-in-class acceleration and a battery range of up to 164 miles and fast charging of up to 85 kilowatt in direct current. The Abarth 500e's interior exudes sportiness, with unmissable sport seats with scorpion stripes embossed on fabric, double stitching, and a black vinyl-wrapped steering wheel. In front of the driver are 2 large screens, a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with new performance pages, and a 7-inch TFT cluster with dedicated Abarth graphics. The performance pages are specifically designed for the new electric Abarth and allow customers to keep track of their performance as they unleash the excitement of the drive. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.